It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. Check it out. I've got an Avon home decor item to share with you guys. I'm going to talk about this little mouse in a minute. But before I get started, if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. I have the link below, and it is my e-coupon list. You want to get your name on there. Just give me your name, your email. I'll put you on the list, and then every campaign, they come from Avon. Avon will email you e-coupons to use with your Christmas orders, and you'll get a newsletter from me. So all good. Also, I'll put the links below on how you can order this adorable little mouse. So check it out. This is part of campaign 23. We've got 3 super cool home decor items. And it's funny because I love to buy a lot of like different Christmas decorations each year. But this year, like normally I would go to Home Goods, I would be out and about, and this year I'm not getting out as much. So I'm super excited that Avon has got some cute little home decor items. And it's funny because I actually really love Christmas mice. I think they're really cute to decorate with. And this one is absolutely adorable. She does light up, and it's like got a flat bottom, so you can sit this little mouse on a fireplace, a bookshelf, and it looks super cute. So let me give you the details on this one. It's a mouse shelf sitter. They are 18 inches tall from head to toe. They take 3 AA batteries, and they're $24.99 each. There is actually a boy and a girl. I think I'm going to end up getting the boy. Then I'll have a matching set. So those are going to be my Christmas decorations. I think in my living room this year, like on my bookshelves. I also ordered, you guys, I'm so excited about this. I'll review this when it comes. It is the limited edition light up greenhouse. And it lights up and it plays music. I'm super excited to get this. I always thought that would be cute. Oh, there goes Coco. To get like a greenhouse. And they also have a limited edition light up nutcracker. Now, if you're going to get any of the home decor stuff, I think, there goes Coco. It is coming up. I think they still have it in campaign 24. However, if this is something, if one of these home decor items is something that you really want, I would not wait too long because I don't know if any of this stuff is going to sell out this year. Yeah, see, because next campaign we get the tree. I know these are super popular. I got to review this. We get the light up Christmas tree topper, and then we've got some ornaments. So more home decor items coming. Oh my gosh. And then we got all of this stuff, which is really neat. This is the Bonjour decor. So like I said, if you want the mice or the greenhouse or the nutcracker, I would order that sooner than later. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know if you have any Avon questions. Like I said, I am an online Avon rep. Definitely sign up for my e-coupon because we got more Christmas coming. Like I said, I just got the Campaign 25 book, and there's more Avon, different Avon home decor. So I'm super excited about that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, see look, campaign 25, they do still have the mice in the greenhouse in campaign 25. I was a little bit worried about that. I was like, oh my gosh, are they going to have it? But Avon has been known sometimes to sell stuff out if it's super popular. So definitely, like I said, if you really want something, I would get it earlier than later. But I'm glad to see that it is in campaign 25. That makes me happy. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.